Genetic and engineer biotechnology. What is the name of the first mammal clone sheep? What is the name of first mammal clone sheep? That is Dolly. Dolly is the first mammal clone sheep. Dolly is the name of the first mammal clone sheep that is created at Roslin Institute in Scotland. The name of the first mammal clone sheep is that is Dolly. Dolly. See that is Dolly. Dolly, the first clone living being created at Roslin Institute in Scotland, Boja sheep. Who among the following is credited with starting the work on plant tissue culture? That is Haverland. Haverland is credited to work on plant tissue culture. Haverland is credited with starting the work on plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture is defined as culturing plant seed, organs, explants, tissue cells or protoplasts on a chemical defined synthetic nutrient media under sterile and controlled condition of light, temperature and humid. The first human heart transplant was done by the first human heart transplant was done by the first human heart transplant was done by Christian Bernard. Christian Bernard is who transplanted the heart first time. On 3 December 1967, Christian Bernard has done first human heart transplantation. When on 3 December 1976, Christian Bernard has done first human heart transplantation. The first mammal which got cloned at the first mammal which got cloned at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland was that is sheep. The first mammal which got cloned at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland was an sheep. The first sheep, Dolly, is the first mammal that got cloned at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland. On February 22, 1997, scientists at the Roslin Institute in Scotland announced that they had cloned an adult sheep, the first successfully cloned adult mammal. Dolly was cloned using somatic cell nuclear transfer from the cell of a 6-year-old Eve. Although Dolly was born in July 1996, but researchers announced Dolly's existence on February 22, 1997, after 7 months. Changes each time it is installed to avoid detection by antivirus softwares. Changes each time it is installed to avoid detection by antivirus software, that is Trojan horse. But this is the question of computer, why they ask in biology. Polymorphic. The changes each time it is installed to avoid detection by antivirus software, that is polymorphic virus. Polymorphic virus changes each time it is installed to avoid detection by antivirus software. Polymorphic viruses are complex file infectors that can create a modified version of itself to avoid detection. It retain the same basic routine after every infection. Polymorphic viruses are usually distributed by spam infected site or through the use of other malware. A genetically engineered form of brinjal known as the Bt brinjal has been developed. The objective of this is to make it pest resistant, to improve its stats and nutritive value, to make it drought resistant, to make its shelf life longer, that is to make it pest resistant. A genetically engineered form of brinjal known as BT brinjal has been developed. The objective of this is to make it pest resistant. BT brinjal is a crop originally modified to carry a gene from a naturally occurring soil-borne bacteria called Bacillus thuringiensis Bt, which produces a crystal protein that protects the plant against insect and pests. Bt cotton is also produced through this soil's bacterian strain. The artificial heart was invented by Paul Bincel. The artificial heart was invented by Paul Bincel. Major biologist invention. General anesthetic was invented by Hanako Shisu. Hanako Shisu is invented general anesthetics. General anesthetic was invented by Hanako Shisu, Japanese surgeon. He had great knowledge about Chinese herbal medicine as well as Western surgical technique. It is said that Shisu Hanaoka performed the first successful surgical treatment of breast cancer under general anesthesia in the world in the year 1804. Bacteria was discovered by who is discovered the bacteria? Bacteria was discovered by the Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered the bacteria. Two men are credited today with the discovery of microorganisms using primitive microscopes. Robert Hooke, who described the fluting structure of molds in 1665, and Antony van Leeuwenhoek, who is credited with the discovery of bacteria in 1676. Bacteria are a type of biological cell. They constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms. Which of the following scientists is also known as the father of biology? That should be Aristotle. Aristotle, known as the father of biology. Famous Greek philosopher Aristotle 384 to 322 AD is also known as the father of biology. Biology is a branch of science that deals with living organisms and their vital process. Biology encompasses diverse fields including botany, conservation, ecology, evolution, genetics, marine biology, medicine, microbiology, molecular biology, physiology and zoology. These are all the branch of the biology. Who invented antibiotics? That is Alexander Fleming invented antibiotics. Alexander Fleming invented antibiotic in 1928. An antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance active against bacteria. Antibiotics are medication that destroy or slow down the growth of bacteria. Penicillin is known as first natural antibiotics discovered by Alexander Fleming. Who among the following is known as the Birdman of India? That is Salim Ali. Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist. He considered as Birdman of India. He was the first man who organized first bird survey in all over India. He was honored by second highest civilian award of Indian Padma Vibhushan. What should happen? All is okay. Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist. He considered as Birdman of India. He was the first man who organized first bird survey in all over India. He was honored by second highest civilian award of India, Padma Vibhushan, in 1976. Who is the father of Indian paleobotany? That is Birbal Sahni. Professor Birbal Sahni Professor Birbal Sahni is called as the father of Indian paleobotany. He discovered a fossil pentoxylales, which was found in current Jharkhand's Raja Mahal Hills. Christian Bernard is famous for performing the world's first human heart transplant. Christian Bernard, the South African surgeon Christian Bernard, who had died at 78 aged, led the surgical team that performed the first human to human heart transplant on December 237, 1967. Chlorophyll was first isolated and named by. Chlorophyll is first isolated and named by. Chlorophyll is isolated and first named by. Chlorophyll are green pigment found in cyanobacteria, chloroplast of algae and plants. Chlorophyll was first isolated and named by Caventou and Pelletier in 1817. The presence of manganese in chlorophyll discovered in 1906, and that was element first detection in living tissue. Who among the following was the founder of vaccine for smallpox? Who is among the founder of the vaccine for smallpox? That should be Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner is the founder of the vaccine for smallpox. British scientist Edward Jenner was the founder of vaccine for smallpox. Vaccination is a simple, safe and effective way of protecting people against harmful disease. It is used body's natural defenses to build resistance to specific infection and makes immune system stronger. Vaccine train immune system to create antibodies just as it does when it's exposed to a disease. However, because vaccine contain only killed or weakened form of germs like viruses or bacteria, they do not cause the disease or put at risk of its complication. Most vaccines are given by an injection, but some are given orally by mouth or spread into the nose. Who discovered the first vaccine of smallpox? Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner is the who discovered the small vaccine for smallpox. In which year did scientists discover the virus that caused AIDS? That year is at 1983. In 1983, Luc Montagnier team at the Pasteur Institute in Paris discovered HIV-1. Who is considered the father of antibiotics? That should be Salman Bachman. Salman Bachman is considered the father of antibiotics. Antibiotics include a range of powerful drugs that kill bacteria or slow their growth. Antibiotics are made up of microorganisms and slow growth of other microorganisms. Penicillin, the first antibiotic, was discovered by. Alexander Fleming. British bacteriologist, was discovered lysozyme and first antibiotic penicillin. Louis Pasteur invented rabies vaccine. John Salk invented polio vaccine, and Edward Jenner discovered smallpox vaccine. In penicillin, the first antibiotic, was discovered by Alexander Fleming. British bacteriologist, was discovered lysozyme and first antibiotic penicillin. Louis Pasteur invented rabies vaccine. John Salk invented polio vaccine. Edward Jenner discovered smallpox vaccine. Which of the following antibiotics was the first one to discovered? That is penicillin. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in the year 1928. It was produced from a fungi Penicillium notatum. Penicillin is the first antibiotic discovered. Who among the following discovered the circulation of blood? The circulation of blood is discovered by the William Harvey. William Harvey discovered the circulation of blood. He also discovered that the heart's four valves permitted flow of blood in one direction only from the right ventricle to the lungs, back to the left ventricle, and from there to the aorta. Harvey also proved that blood flows in two separate loops, the pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. Who discovered blood circulation? William Harvey discovered blood circulation. Blood circulation was discovered by William Harvey, who is regarded as the father of microbiology. He is also known for the discovery of bacteria, that is Antony von Leeuwenhoek. Antony von Leeuwenhoek was a Dutch scientist and discovered by the bacteria in 1683. He is commonly known as the father of microbiology. Christian Gottfried Ehrenberg gave the name and described bacterium in 1828. Polio vaccine developed by Dr. Jonas Salk in 1955. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev was a Russian chemist and inventor. He is best remembered for formulating the periodic law and creating a far-sighted version of periodic table of elements. Joseph Priestley discovered the oxygen, who is commonly known as the father of microbiology, that is Antony Phillips von Leeuwenhoek. Blood group was discovered by Landsteiner. Landsteiner is discovered the blood group. Alexander Fleming, lysosome, enzyme and antibiotic penicillin. Alexander Fleming, lysosome, enzyme and antibiotic penicillin. William Harvey, blood circulation. Landsteiner, blood groups. Pavlov, learning procedure principle. In 1930, which scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize for describing the human ABO blood group? That is Carl Landsteiner. In 1930, Carl Landsteiner was awarded from Nobel Prize for discovering the blood group. Whose invention led to the development of polio vaccine? That is Jonas Salk. Jonas Salk invention led to the development of polio vaccine. Poliomyelitis is a highly infectious disease caused by a virus. It invades the nervous system and can cause total paralysis in matter of hours. Polio affects mainly children under 5 years of age. Polio is transmitted through contaminated water or food or contact with an infected person. Which scientist discovered the penicillin? Alexander Fleming is discovered the penicillin. Alexander Fleming had discovered the penicillin in 1928. For that he received Nobel Prize in the field of medicine in the year 1945. Who invented penicillin? Alexander Fleming invented penicillin. Who discovered the first antibiotic penicillin? That is Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic vaccine. Capsaicinoids, carotenoids, phenolics and vitamins are dominant chemical in which of the following foods? That is chili. Capsaicinoids, carotenoids, phenolics and vitamins are dominant chemical found in chilies. Important question, exam asked in 2022. Capsaicinoids, carotenoids, phenolics and vitamins are dominant chemical in which of the following foods? That is chili. Capsaicinoids, carotenoids, phenolics and vitamins are dominant chemical found in chilies. Which of the following is an essential element used in the synthesis of protein in plants? That is nitrogen. Nitrogen is an essential element used in the synthesis of protein and other compounds. This is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrates or nitrites. Which of the following is the indigestible portion of the diet essential to health, indigestible portion of the diet essential to health of the digestive system, that is rowgage. Raw gauge is the indigestible material of our diet, such as legumes, whole grains, and vegetables, which promotes elimination of waste from the large intestine. Organisms belonging to the phylum are also called flatworms, Platyhelminthes. Organisms belonging to the phylum Platyhelminthes are also called flatworms. Organisms belonging to the phylum Platyhelminthes are also called flatworms. Is concerned with constructing records of past climates and climatic events by analysis of tree growth characteristics, especially growth ring dendroclimatology. Dendroclimatology is concerned with constructing record of past climate and climatic events by analysis of tree growth characteristics, especially growth rings. The foul smell from a body, especially during a sultry summer, is due to the action of an on-sweet, that is bacteria. The foul smell from a body, especially during a sultry summer, is due to the action of bacteria on sweet. A typical adult human body contains about of magnesium, that is 25 gram. An adult body contains approximately 25 gram magnesium, with 50% to 60% present in the bones and most of the rest in soft tissue. Less than 1% of total magnesium is in blood serum, and these levels are kept under light control. Chiropody is a branch of science related to which part of the body. Chiropody is a branch of science related to which part of the body. That should be feet. Feet. Chiropody is a regulated healthcare professional that focuses on the assessment and management of the feet and feet related condition. The original function of the vertebrate stomach bulge storage. Higher chordates have vertebral column, CNS, stomach, closed blood circulatory system, etc. The stomach in chordates is used as storage of food. The development of a fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy. Some fruits get developed into fruit without fertilization. The development of a fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. The fruit resembles a normally produced fruit but is seedless. Varieties of the pineapple, banana, cucumber, grape, orange, grapefruit, persimmon, and breadfruit exemplify naturally occurring parthenocarpy. Which of the following is used to control pest fish? That is pesticides. Pesticides are used to control pest fish. Carnivorous fishes feed infants of fishes. That's why negative impact reflected on pisciculture. Pesticides are chemicals used to kill fish. They can be used in a variety of aquatic environments including lakes and rivers. The breeding, rearing, and transplantation of fish by artificial means is called pisciculture. In other words, fish farming. Photosynthesis in plants convert light energy into energy, that is chemical. Photosynthesis in plant converts light energy into chemical energy. Photosynthesis process is the process of making food in green plants by using sunlight, water, and CO2. It converts light energy into chemical energy. The product food stored in the plant in form of starch, protein, etc. The citric acid cycle is also known as the citric acid cycle is also known as Krebs cycle. Citric acid cycle is also known as Krebs cycle, which is the second phase of aerobic respiration and take place in mitochondria. Pyruvic acid completely oxidized and breaks into CO2 and H2O. The color of banana turn brown because the enzyme present in the banana reacts with air. The color of banana turn brown because banana contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase that react with oxygen. Color of banana start changing. Are species which are only found in some particular areas, usually isolated by natural or geographical barriers. That is rare species. A rare species is a group of organisms that are very uncommon, scarce or infrequent. Encountered this designation may be applied to either plant or animal and is distinct from the term endangered or threatened. If the external solution balances the osmotic pressure of the cytoplasm, it is said to be isotonic. If the external solution balances the osmotic pressure of the cytoplasm, it is said to be isotonic solution. These solution contains same osmotic pressure at same temperature, T1 equal T2, P1 equal T2, P2. Osmosis does not take place in two isotonic solution separated by semi-permeable membrane at same temperature, H2O, H2O. A species restricted to a given area is endemic species. A species restricted to a given area is endemic species. Endemic species is the ecological state of species where a species is unique to a defined geographical location. Lion-tailed macaque, pignose frog, purple frog, Nilgiri tahr, Nilgiri blue robin and Malabar civet are the most threatened and endangered endemic species found only in the western Ghats of southern India. Microorganisms act upon the dead plants to produce humus. Microorganisms act upon the dead plant to produce humus. Humus are the dark organic material present on top of the soil. This organic matter mainly constitute of dead and decaying animal substances, dried leaves, twigs, grasses, vegetables, microbes and other nutrients. There is 5 to 10% humus organic substances contribution occur in soil composition. Which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Rapid growth of industries, increasing population, forestation, mismanagement of better resource. Which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Rapid growth of industries, increasing pollution. Increasing pollution is not the effect of for water shortage. नहीं फोरेस्टेशन सॉरी पॉल्यूशन तो वाटर शॉर्टेज बढ़ता ही है मैं डिफोरेस्टेशन पढ़ रहा था फोरेस्टेशन मीन्स दी शीड द मोर ट्री forestation is not responsible for water shortage. Water scarcity become serious problem for world due to global warming. Water scarcity involves water crisis, water shortage, water deficit or water stress. About 17% of the earth's surface is covered with water and 3% of it is actually fresh water that is fit for human consumption. Around two-thirds of the water, two-thirds of that is tucked in frozen glaciers and unavailed for our use. Factors affected water scarcity include overuse of water, global warming, uncontrolled population growth, industrial dumping, mismanagement of water resources, sanitization issues, etc. Forestation enhances Rainwater fills reservoirs that supply drinking water, provide a habitat for fish to live, and nourishes the soil with water necessary for vegetation. Helium is added to the oxygen supply of deep sea divers because it is less soluble in blood than nitrogen at high pressure. Helium is added to the oxygen supply of deep sea divers because it is less soluble in blood than nitrogen at high pressure. Honey that has high concentration of sugar does not decay because bacteria cannot survive in an active state as it is totally deprived of oxygen. It contains natural antioxidants that prevent bacterial attack. Bacteria cannot survive in an active state in a solution of high osmotic strength as water is drawn out. None of these. That is C. Bacteria cannot survive in an active state in a solution of high osmotic strength as water is drawn out. Honey that is high concentration of sugar does not decay because bacteria cannot survive in an active state in a solution of high osmotic strength as water is drowned out. Honey is type of high osmotic water deficient agent with high concentration of minerals, sugars, and amino acids. Bees collect many material to produce honey, including nectar, volatiles, essential oils, pollen, and propolis. And these various botanical origins will also affect the composition of honey. The sweetness of honey is attributed to fructose and glucose. Mainly, honey is used as medicine due to its antibacterial sustainability. Starch is insoluble in water, but still it is stored in large quantity in potato because because it is translocated in the form of sugar from leaves. Potato contain 22.6% starch. It is rich source of iron, magnesium, and vitamin C. The green skin on potatoes come from solanine pigmentation. Starch is insoluble in water, but still it is stored in large quantity in potato because it is translocated in the form of sugar from leaves. What is dehydration? Removal of acid from a molecule, removal of base from a molecule, removal of water from a molecule, removal of alkali from molecule. That is C. Removal of water from a molecule is called dehydration. Dehydration is the process of complete removal of water from the compound of molecule. Dehydration reaction can be defined as the chemical reaction in which a water molecule is eliminated from the reactant molecule. The process of combination of two molecules with the elimination of water molecule is called dehydration synthesis. Olefins are obtained by all types of alcohol dehydration. The process of dehydration is done by following methods: heating alcohol with concentrated phosphoric acid and sulfuric acid at 433 to 477 K, passing alcohol vapors over ammonia at 623 to 673 K. The association of animals in which both the partners are benefited is known as mutualism. The association of animal in which both the partners are benefited is known as mutualism. Mutualism described as a type of mutually beneficial relationship between organisms of different species. It is a symbiotic relationship in which two different species interact with and in some cases totally rely on one another for survival. For egg, legumes from a unique symbiotic relationship with bacteria known as rhizobia, which they allow to infect their roots. This leads to root nodule formation, where bacteria are accommodated to convert nitrogen from the air into ammonia that the plant can use for growth. This symbiotic nitrogen fixation allows legumes to thrive in habitats with limited nitrogen availability. Mutualistic relationship can be categorized as either obligate or facultative. In obligate mutualism, the survival of one or both organisms involved is dependent upon the relationship. In facultative mutualism, both organisms benefited from but are not dependent upon their relationship for survival. Which of the following element is not among the six elements common to all living organisms? That is zinc. Zinc is the element that not among the six elements common to all living organisms. There are six elements: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, calcium, phosphorus present in all living organisms. Commonly, living organisms contain relatively large amount of oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and sulfur. These five elements are known as the bulk element. Along the sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, chlorine, and phosphorus. These six elements are known as macrominerals. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen make 96.2% of total body weight. Which of the following devices is used for examining ear plugs? That is otoscope. Otoscope is used for examining ear plugs. Otoscope is the device used for examining ear plugs. Polygraph machine record the body's involuntary response to an examiner question in order to certain deceptive behavior. It is known as lie detective test. Polygraph testing is mainly done for law enforcement, judicial, and private business sector purposes. What is the definition for the term hibernation? Hibernation, a state of hyperactivity in springtime among birds, bulging of habitat by birds to save themselves in rainy season. A state of reduced metabolic activity during winter season among some animals. A habitat of food conservation during summer season for winter among animals. That is C. A state of reduced metabolic activity during winter season among some animals. Hibernation is a state of reduced metabolic activity during winter season among some animals like snake, polar bear, frog, and tortoise, etc. Hibernation is a state of inactivity in which an animal's heart rate, body temperature, and breathing rate are decreased in order to conserve energy through the cold months of winter. A similar state known as activation occurs in some desert animals during the dry month of summers. Hibernators go into such a deep sleep that it is almost impossible to wake them, and they appear to be dead. Hibernating animals get ready for their winter sleep by eating extra food. And storing it as body fat, which they then use as energy while sleeping. When climate moves to change, they awake gradually and enter in atmosphere. Which of the following is a soya-based food? That is tofu. Tofu or soya curd is made from soya milk. It looks like cheese, but it has less calorie energy as compared to cheese, but has sufficient amount of iron and protein. Tofu is a soya-based edible item. Why is it important to have iodized salt in our diet? It helps in smooth functioning of thyroid gland. Iodized salt is important in our diet because it helps in smooth functioning of thyroid glands. Iodine is important for the proper conduction of brain, body. Its deficiency causes goitre. Iodine containing salt is used to fulfill the requirement of iodine. Lexameter measures knee ligament laxity. The lexameter is a device for measuring knee joint laxity. It is a stress radiography device capable of measuring the laxity of all four ligaments of the knee joint at multiple fixed degrees of flexion. Who among the following is the founder of the field of psychoanalysis? That is Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud was the founder of the psychoanalysis and the psychoanaemic approach to psychology. Freud believed that the human mind was composed of three elements: the id, the ego, and the superego. What do you call the property of an organism of self-regulation and the tendency to maintain a steady state within an external environment which is liable to change? That is homeostasis. Homeostasis is any self-regulating process by which an organism tends to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are best for its survival. Who among the following was the founder of homeopathy? That is Samuel Hahnemann. Homeopathy is a form of medical therapeutic discovered by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. The principle of likes being able to treat likes is a sensible animal that relies upon its relationship with plants like algae to build the largest structure of biological origin on earth, that is coral. Coral is a sessile animal that relies upon its relationship with plant like algae to build the largest structure of biological origin on the earth. They are under threat from excess nutrients, rising temperatures, oceanic oceanic acidification, overfishing, etc. From which of the following sources does the brain get energy? That is glucose. Glucose is the only carbohydrate compounded that the brain can use for energy. Glucose is utilized for the generation of energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate ATP from either glycolysis or oxidative phosphorylation. Match the structure given in column A with the function given in column B. Stomata, xylem, root hairs, phylum. तो stomata is transpiration. Stomata help in transpiration. Xylem is transport of water. Xylem is called transport of water. And root hairs is absorption of water. Phylum transport of food. तो stomata transpiration, xylem transport of water, root hairs absorption of water, phylum transport of food. A herbicide is a pesticide used to kill unwanted plants. Herbicide is a type of pesticide which is also known as weed killers, or substance used to control unwanted plant or weeds. Selective herbicide control specific weed species while leaving the desired crop relatively unharmed. The art of growing dwarf trees is known as bonsai. Bonsai is the Japanese art of growing dwarf trees by contrast with other plant cultivation practices. Bonsai is not intended for production of food or for medicine. Instead, bonsai practice focuses on long-term cultivation and shaping of one or more small trees growing in a container. Bonsai uses cultivation techniques like pruning, root reduction, potting, defoliation, and grafting to produce small trees that mimic the shape and style of mature for full-size trees. About 70% of our energy requirement should be met by, that is, carbohydrates. A carbohydrate is a biomolecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in 1:2:1 ratio. About 50 to 70% of our energy requirement should be met by carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide the majority of energy in the diets. Which of the following is trace mineral found in the human body? Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral found in human body. The concentration of 14 serum trace elements, namely iron, copper, zinc, rubidium, selenium, strontium, molybdenum, manganese, lead, arsenic, chromium, etc. And each one has different functioning deficiencies or excess of any of the trace element can cause various clinical manifestation and affects one's growth and development. That is, our biology is completed. We done 1071 question, that is more than enough to any one day exam. So in from tomorrow we will start polity, and we will completed our polity in many video series of videos. Let's we will discuss tomorrow.